Traders, welcome to this live scalping video. You're going to watch me make around $2,000 in real time. Just wanted to pop on here, say hello before we jump in, literally 30 seconds. If you watch my institutional Sundays, I've been talking a lot about the recent negativity in markets. It's one thing to talk about it. I'm actually going to show you how I traded it up around $22,000, $23,000 this month, which I'm going to show you, my live account. Let's get into it. Okay traders, so you should be familiar with what you see here, especially if you've watched my videos before. First big clue, right? A lot of bid trades on the time and sales coming through. You'll see a lot coming through, a lot of selling coming through, heavy selling, which obviously a lot of interest. You can see it here on the depth of market as well, that there's a lot of selling coming through. I'm interested in getting short of this market. Everything's moving so fast today. I think we had over 100-point ranges the last couple of days. Very volatile market, and obviously a lot of risk off ahead of FOMC. Okay, I think I'm just about to get short here. As you see, a lot of selling pushing through now, so you can see that right there. Just taking slight positioning, right? Very volatile day, so can still make a lot of money, as you're going to see. Just don't need to get so crazy with the position size. So in terms of context, you can see already the market just hammering down. You see these bid trades coming through. There you go, look at that. What else do you need to say? I mean, it's all pretty self-explanatory, a lot of this stuff. It's just important you're looking at the right stuff. Obviously my live account, as always, you can see my position P&L there. So just took some off at the lows essentially. And did you see that big selling just coming through there as we broke through? So a lot of stop orders coming through. If you slow it down, you can see it all over. Again, just imagine not being able to see any of this stuff. Basically trading blind, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward it a little bit because I did let it play out with this much selling coming into the market. The context being risk off. I didn't finish saying that, did I? Risk off ahead of FOMC tomorrow. This was definitely the right way, to be in the market short. So I'm just going to show you how it continued to play out. Okay, so I'm still short of the market. Just want to see the reaction really at the lows. We've seen so much heavy selling, even though I'm just getting rid of some of these markers up. Fairly hefty amount now, about $1,500 on the day. You can see it there on the live account, 1,500, well over 1,500 now. I want to see the reaction on the lows. Can you see this? Just look right down at the bottom, 200 bids. Let's see how, I want to see how it reacts. Boom, just go straight through it, right? So no reason to exit the trade at that stage. Just let it play out a little bit more, almost up 2K on the day. Just letting it play out really a little bit further, more than I usually would for a scalp. I probably might have been looking to take it off where we had this kind of consolidation around there, but I just wanted to see how it reacted at the lows, and you can see just tanked basically, barely any buying at the lows. So just let it play out, and literally I'm about to take the position off here. So I'll just quickly forward to when I take the position off. There you go, you've seen it there. I was about to forward, but you've seen it there. So I just let it play out a lot more than a normal scalp would, because you saw that type of action. So plus $1,925 on the day, which puts me at around 22K on the month. I won't show my full blotter this time, but I'll show it next time, just because I want to keep the video short. Click the button to subscribe. See you next week.